Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita Misra Math classes, and this is Anita Misra here. Today I have taken class 12 chapter 7 integral exercise 7.2, and we have already completed up to question number 10 from this exercise in part 1 of this video. So let us start from question number 11. So question number 11 is integral of x divided by square root x plus 4 dx. So first we put x plus 4 is equal to t square, because this one is given in square root, so we put x plus 4 is equal to t square. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get dx by dt. First one, 4 is a constant, so it will be 0, right here 0 plus 2t. Then dx will be 2t dt. Now we can write, here it is given x, so from here we can write x is equal to t square minus 4. T square minus 4. So put here t square minus 4 divided by, here it is given square root x plus 4, and x plus 4 is equal to t square. So square root of t square will be t. So write here t, and in place of dx write 2t dt. So write here 2t dt. Divide t by t, it will cut, and here 2 is a constant, so take it out. So we can write 2 integral t square minus 4 dt. Now write them separately, both integral, then it will be 2 integral of t square dt minus 4 2 ja 8 integral dt. Now both are in standard form. Yes, so integrate it. It is 2 integral of t square will be t cube by 3. Yes, t cube by 3 minus 8 integral of 1 dt will be t, and write a constant c. Now put the value of t. First write constant 2 by 3, and from here t will be square root of x plus 4. So write here x plus 4 power 1 by 2, but it is here given power 3, so it become 3 by 2. Power ka power will be multiplied. Then minus, right here 8. In place of t we can write square root x plus 4, plus write a constant c. Then we can take common, what? 2 square root x plus 4. Then here it is given power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we have taken common. So here it will be x plus 4 only. Power will be 1, that means x plus 4. Minus 2 I have already taken common. So here it will be 4. Root x plus 4 we have taken common. So write here 4. And write here 3. This 3. Plus write that constant c. Then write 2 root x plus 4. Here x plus 4. 3 4 ja 12. So write here minus 12 divided by 3 plus constant c. Then we can write 2 root x plus 4. Here it come x, write here x, then write 4 minus 12 will be minus 8 divided by 3 plus constant c. So finally we can write 2 by 3 root x plus 4 into x minus 8 plus constant c. This one is your answer. Is question number 12. It is integral of x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5 dx. Here power is given 1 by 3. So we put right here x cube minus 1 is equal to t cube. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get 3x square dx by dt is equal to 3t square. 1 is a constant, so it will be 0. Then cut this. So in place of x square dx, we can write t square dt. And we can write this integral as, first write this one, x cube minus 1 by 3. And here it is given x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 can be written as x cube into x square dx. Then we can write integral. So x cube minus 1 is equal to t cube. So right here t cube and power is 1 by 3. And in place of x cube, we can write from here x cube will be, x cube is equal to t cube plus 1. So in place of x cube, write t cube plus 1 into, in place of x square dx, we can write t square dt. Then multiply and we can write integral t. Here it is t cube and power is 1 by 3. So it will be t. So right here t into t cube plus 1 into t square dt. So it will be integral t square into t will be t cube. T cube is multiplied into t cube. So it will be t to the power 6 plus t cube into 1 will be t cube dt. Then integrate it. This one is in standard form. Yes. So when we integrate, we get t to the power 7 by 7 plus t to the power 4 by 4 plus write a constant c. Now put the value of t. From here you can see that x cube minus 1 is equal to t cube. So t cube will be x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3. So in place of t, write x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3. And here it is given power 7. So write here 7 divided by 7 plus write t is equal to again x cube minus 1 power 1 by 3 and write this power 4 divided by 4 plus constant c. So we can write 1 by 7, it becomes x cube minus 1 and here it becomes 7 by 3 plus 1 by 4, right, x cube minus 1 4 by 3 plus constant c. So this is our answer. Question number 13. It is integral of x square divided by 2 plus 3x cube whole cube dx. Here we know that derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. So first we put 2 plus 3 x cube is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides. We get here 2 is a constant, so it will be 0 plus 3 3 ja 9 x square dx by dt is equal to 1. When we differentiate t with respect to t, we get 1. So, in place of x square dx, we can write x square dx will be dt by 9. So, we can write our integral like this. In place of x square dx, write dt by 9 first. And here it is t. This one is a t. So, write here 1 by, and power is given 3. So, write here 3. So, 9 is a constant. So, write it outside from integral. So, it will be integral of 1 by t cube. 1 by t cube dt. So, we can write 1 by 9 integral 1 by t cube means t to the power minus 3 dt. Now, this one is in standard form. So, we can integrate by formula of integral of x to the power n. So, it is, write first t. Here n is minus 3. So, write here minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 and a constant c. So, we get 1 by 9 t to the power minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus constant c. So, 9 multiplied by 2 will be 18. So, we can write minus 1 by 18 1 by t square plus constant c. Now, put the value of t. First write minus 1 by 18, then write 1 by t is equal to 2 plus 3x cube. So, write here 2 plus 3x cube. Then here it is square. So, write here square and write a constant c. So, this is your answer. Question number 14. It is integral of 1 by x log x power is m dx. Here given x is greater than 0. So, we know that when we differentiate log x, we get 1 by mod x. So, first we put here log x is equal to t. Then differentiate, we get 1 by mod x dx by dt is equal to 1. Here it is given x is greater than 0. So, in place of 1 by mod x, we can write simply 1 by x because it will be positive. So, we can write 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So, our integral become, right here 1, in place of 1 by x dx, write dt. And 1 by log x is equal to t. So, it will be 1 by t power will be m. So, we can write integral. Here it is given 1 by t to the power m. So, we can write t to the power minus m dt. Now, this one is in standard form, just like integral of x to the power n. What is the formula for that? Integral of x to the power n will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Yes. So, right here t to the power minus m plus 1 divided by minus m plus 1 and a constant c. So, we can write 1 by minus m plus 1 and in place of t write log x and power is minus m plus 1 and write a constant c. So, finally we can write 1 by, here it is minus m plus 1. So, we can write 1 minus m. Write log x. Here it is also minus m plus 1. So, write here 1 minus m and write constant c. So, this is your answer. So next one is question number 15. It is integral of x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx. And we know that derivative of x square is x. So first we put 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides, we get 9 is constant, so it will be 0. Then here it is given 4. So when we differentiate x square, we get 2x. So 2 multiplied by 4, it becomes 8. 8x dx by dt is equal to 1. So we can write x dx is equal to dt by minus 8. So we can write our integral like this. Integral in place of x dx, we can write dt by minus 8. And here 9 minus 4x square is t. So write here 1 by t. So we can write, take this minus 1 by 8 outside. So it will be minus 1 by 8 integral of 1 by t dt. This one is in standard form. So when we know that integral of 1 by t dt is equal to log mod t. So write here, first write minus 1 by 8 as it is, and here it will be log mod t plus write a constant c. Then write minus 1 by 8 log, put the value of t. T is equal to 9 minus 4x square plus write a constant c. So this is your answer. Next one is question number 16. It is integral of e to the power 2x plus 3 dx. And we know the formula for integral of e to the power x. Yes, integral of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. But in place of x, here it is given 2x plus 3. So we put here 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Again we differentiate with respect to t, we get 2 dx by dt. Here it is constant, so it will be 0, and here it is t, so it will be 1. So we can write dx is equal to dt by 2. So we can write our integral as e to the power 2x plus 3 is t. So in place of 2x plus 3, write here t, and in place of dx, write dt by 2. Now write 1 by 2 outside. This is integral of e to the power t dt, and integral of e to the power t will be e to the power t. Write a constant c. After that, put the value of t. We get 1 by 2 e to the power t is equal to 2x plus 3. So write here 2x plus 3 plus write a constant c. So this is your answer. So next is question number 17. It is integral of x divided by e to the power x squared dx. And we know that derivative of x square is equal to 2x. So first we put x square is equal to t. This is very simple question. So differentiate both sides, we get 2x dx by dt is equal to 1. So what will be x dx? X dx will be dt by 2. So write this integral. In place of x dx, we can write dt by 2. So first write here dt by 2. And in place of x square, write t. So it will be e to the power t. Take 1 by 2 outside. So write here 1 by 2 integral. Here it is given 1 by e to the power t. So we can write e to the power minus t dt. Now integrate. So we can write 1 by 2 integral of e to the power minus t dt. Right here. Write this 1 by 2 as it is. When we integrate e to the power minus t, we get minus e to the power minus t and write a constant c. So we can write minus 1 by 2. E to the power minus t means 1 by e to the power t plus write a constant c. Then minus 1 by 2 and put the value of t. T is equal to x square. So it will be e to the power x square plus constant c. So finally we can write minus 1 by 2 e to the power x square plus constant c. This is your answer. Next one is question number 18. It is integral of e to the power tan inverse divided by 1 plus x square dx. First see that whose derivative is present in the given integral. We know that derivative of tan inverse is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So first we put tan inverse x is equal to t. tan inverse x का डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रल में दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हम tan inverse x को t पुट करेंगे and then differentiate it. We get 1 by 1 plus x square dx by dt is equal to 1. Then 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be dt. So our integral become e to the power tan inverse is equal to t. So it will be e to the power t. And in place of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, we can write only dt. So it will be e to the power t dt. Now this one is in standard form. Yes, we can use formula of integral e to the power t. What is formula for integral of e to the power t? E to the power t. Yes. So write directly, it will be e to the power t plus write a constant c. Then put the value of t. It will be e to the power t is equal to tan inverse x. So write here tan inverse x plus write a constant c. So this is your answer. So next one is question number 19. It is integral of e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. And we know that derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So first we make this integral into simple form. For this, let us take common e to the power x. Right here e to the power x. Then here it is e to the power 2x. So it will be e to the power x. And write minus. Here it is 1. So here it will be e to the power minus x. Then take common here also e to the power x. So it will be e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. When we multiply e to the power x into e to the power minus x, we get e to the power x minus x. That means e to the power 0. That will be 1. Now cut this. Now our integral become e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Right here dx also. Now we can put e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Put here. Then differentiate it. We get e to the power x. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. Minus derivative of e to the power minus x will be minus e to the power minus x dx. Will be, we can write directly here dt. So now we can write integral in place of e to the power x minus e to the power x dx. We can write dt. So write here dt. And here e to the power x plus e to the power minus x is t. So write here t. Now this one is in standard form. So we can write here. It will be log mod t plus write a constant c. Now put the value of t. So it will be log mod t is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus write a constant c. So this is our answer. So next one is question number 20. It is integral of e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x divided by e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x dx. It is same as question number 19. Okay, so first we put here e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. We get when we differentiate e to the power 2x, we get 2 e to the power 2x then dx by dt. Again differentiate e to the power minus 2x, we get minus 2 e to the power minus 2x dx by dt is equal to 1. So we can write 2, take 2 common, then you can write e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x, take common dx by dt. So we can write dx is equal to dt. So we can write our integral in place of e to the power 2x minus e to the power minus 2x dx. We will write dt by 2. Yes, so first write dt by 2. And here this one is t. So write here 1 by t. So we can write 1 by 2 integral of 1 by t dt. And we know that integral of 1 by t is equal to log mod t and write a constant c. Now put the value of t. Write here 1 by 2 log mod e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus write this constant c. Here e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x will be greater than 0. So we can write finally 1 by 2 log e to the power 2x plus e to the power minus 2x plus write a constant c. So this will be your answer. So next one is question number 21. It is integral of tan square 2x minus 3 dx. यहाँ पे फंक्शन हमें tan स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, तो सबसे पहले हम इसको sec स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे क्योंकि हमें sec स्क्वायर x का इंटीग्रल का फार्मूला पता है. And we know that 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So tan square x will be sec square x minus 1. But in place of x, here it is given 2x minus 3. So we write here integral sec square. In place of x, write here 2x minus 3 minus 1 and write this dx as it is. Now write them separately. We write here, write sec square 2x minus 3 dx minus integral of 1 dx means dx. Now in place of x, here it is given 2x minus 3. So first we put 2x minus 3 is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t. We get 2 dx is equal to dt. Because 3 is a constant, so it will be 0. So in place of dx, we can write dt by 2. So now we can write integral of, here it is given sec square 2x minus 3. So right here sec square, this one is t, sec square t. In place of dx, write dt by 2. And write this one is as it is, integral of dx. We can write that 1 by 2 integral of sec square t dt minus integral of dx. Right here 1 by 2. When we integrate sec square t, we get tan t. So right here tan t minus, here it will be x plus write a constant c. Put the value of t, 1 by 2 tan t is equal to 2x minus 3. So put here 2x minus 3 minus x plus constant c. So this is your answer. Next one is question number 22. It is integral of sec square 7 minus 4x dx. sec स्क्वायर x के इंटीग्रल का फार्मूला हमें पता है. sec स्क्वायर x का जब इंटीग्रल करते हैं तो क्या आता है, tan x आता है. बट sec स्क्वायर x में x की जगह यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है, 7 minus 4x. So first we put, so let us put 7 minus 4x is equal to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get, here 7 is a constant, so it will be 0, minus 4 dx is equal to, it will be dt. So dx will be minus 1 by 4 dt. So in place of dx, we can write minus 1 by 4 dt. So now our integral become, right here sec square 7 minus 4x is t, so sec square t, and right here minus 1 by 4 dt. This one is a constant, so write it here, minus 1 by 4 integral sec square t dt. Now this one is in standard form, so we can easily integrate. So it will be minus 1 by 4, right, constant at it, and integral of sec square t will be tan t. So right here tan t and a constant c. Then minus 1 by 4, write tan, put the value of t is equal to 7 minus 4x. So write here 7 minus 4x and write this constant as it is. So this is your answer. Let us see question number 23. It is integral of sine inverse divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. और आप सबको पता है कि साइन इनवर्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, 1 by square root 1 minus x square. So we put here साइन इनवर्स x is equal to t. इसका डेरिवेटिव हमें पता है, इसलिए हम इसको t पुट करेंगे. Then differentiate with respect to t. We get, right here differentiate with respect to t, we get 1 by square root 1 minus x square dx is equal to dt. So our integral become, sine inverse is t, so right here t, and 1 by square root 1 minus x square dx will be dt. So it will be t dt. Then yes, this one is standard form, so इसको डिफरेंट इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, it come t square by 2 plus write a constant c. Now put the value of t. T is equal to sine inverse x. So we can write 1 by 2 in place of t. Write sine inverse x. And it is t square. So write here square. And write a constant c as it is. So this will be our answer. See our next question. It is question number 24. It is integral of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. We know that derivative of sin x is equal to cos x and derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. But here it is given 2, 3 and here it is given 6, 4. So we can take common 2 from denominator. So let us write first integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x as it is and take common 2 from here. We can write 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. Now we can put 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to t. We get, when we differentiate cos x, we get minus sin x. So it will be minus 3 sin x plus 2, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So it will be 2 cos x dx, derivative of x is dx, then write here dt. So now we can write our integral. Here it is given 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. Here it is also 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx is equal to dt. So in place of this we can write only dt. So it will be dt and here it is 2. So write it is 2 and this one is t. Now this one is in standard form and integral of 1 by t dt will be log mod t. So it will be, write 1 by 2 as it is and integral of 1 by t will be log mod t plus write a constant c. Now put the value of t. Write here 1 by 2 log mod t is equal to this 3 cos x plus 2 sin x and write a constant c, this one. So this is our answer. So our next question is question number 25. It is integral of 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. We know that derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x and we also know that 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x. So in place of 1 by cos square x, write here sec square x. Yes. And now we can put 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to t, we get 1 is constant, so it will be 0. And when we differentiate tan x, we get sec square x. Here it is minus, so write here minus sec square x dx is equal to dt. So in place of sec square x dx, we can write minus dt. So we can write minus dt by, this one is 1 minus tan x whole square and 1 minus tan x is equal to t. So it will be t square. Now write this, take minus outside, so it will be, here it is 1 by t square, so we can write t to the power minus 2 dt. Now this one is in form of x to the power n, so integrate it, it will be t to the power minus 2 plus 1 n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 and write a constant c. Write here minus t to the power minus 2 plus 1 will be t to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus constant c. Minus and minus become plus. So it will be 1 by t to the power minus 1 will be 1 by t plus constant c. Then put the value of t. T is equal to 1 minus tan x. So it will be 1 by 1 minus tan x. And write this constant as it is. So this is your answer. इस वीडियो में हम यहीं तक सॉल्व करेंगे. इसके आगे के क्वेश्चन हम इस वीडियो के पार्ट 3 में सॉल्व करेंगे. सो पार्ट 3 देखने के लिए सबसे पहले तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए. सो सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.